Statistics function. This displays statistics relating to the machine. To display, proceed as follows. Press the Menu ESC button to enter the menu. Press the hot milk or latte button until statistics is displayed. Press the OK button. Press the hot milk or latte button to verify how many coffees have been made, how many times the machine has been descaled, the total number of litres of water delivered, how many times the water softener filter has been replaced, the total number of drinks with milk made. Press the Menu ESC button twice to exit the menu.